Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little bit, about 2 weeks, since I've posted any kind of updates on my tanks or made any kind of post at all. I've been traveling a little bit. Went on a golf trip. It's another passion of mine, something I care about. So to add to my other expensive hobby, yeah, I play a little bit of golf. Anyway, made a trip to my hometown. Made a new stand for my mangrove tank with my dad. That was super fun. He's got a really cool workshop. He's a great builder. So that was just a cool thing for us to knock out in about an hour. Show you guys kind of how I made that. Show you a little bit more about what it takes to make a stand like that. Super simple. So just kind of wanted to share that. And I'll show you some updates on all the other tanks. And yeah, pretty happy about everything. So I'll share with you guys what's going on, and we'll go from there. .45U reef tank, looking pretty good. Got most of the cyano to go away, or sorry, diatoms to go away. Left with just a little bit of cyano here and there. But all my little sexy shrimp are doing really well. Some of these corals still, you know, I don't know. The tank's still coming into its own, right? I need to add a lot more to it. This Gorgonian's looking really good. Need to chop that up. But yeah, shrimps, everything like that are doing great. That's kind of what I'm focusing on. At least, you know, while there's not a ton of coral or anemone in here. They actually breed like, or spawn, I should say, like 2 or 3 times a month. So I don't know, I'm kind of thinking about putting a little pipefish or something in here Something that maybe won't mess with the shrimp, but will be able to take advantage of all those little shrimplets. Anyway, happy with this tank, just kind of cruising. The UNS tank here is looking pretty good. Lost most of the red foxtail. I don't know, kind of just started melting. Green foxtail is doing okay. A little bit of string algae. Shrimps are doing good. Just hiding out right now. Plants are, growing as well as they would in a low-tech system. So, yeah, maybe not the most beautiful thing to look at right now, but we're just rolling with the punches. It's kind of just a tank. I don't know. All these tanks are just meant to be easy to care for. It's got a lot of them, so got to manage, my time, how much effort I can put into all of them. So, yep, even though they, don't always look super sharp, we'll get there. It just takes patience. My UNS 60S is looking pretty good. I moved out a bunch of fish that I put in here and put in my 90p behind me, and moved my marble blue beta in here by himself. And I really think I like the look. Just a big tank, one little fish. Not to mention, he's really pretty. Probably one of the favorite kinds of betas I've ever kept. I think the blue contrast looks good against all the green plants. So, yep, we're happy with this one. Just letting it grow. Finally got the CO2 and everything dialed in on it. Seeing some really good growth, so happy about that. Thanos tank looking pretty good. Nothing in here right now. Thinking about some shrimp, something like that. A little bit of algae. Again, just about what you'd expect in a low-tech filterless tank. But the plants are growing well. Just give them some time to, take root and really take over. This vase tank, I've decided to make some changes in. Had some big driftwood pieces coming out. They were just adding a lot of rot and stench to the tank. They were like a really hard wood, so it was going to take them a while to sink and soak in and cycle and all that. So I took them out. Keep this valve in here, and I'm going to put some tall stem plants growing up the back. I think that'll look really cool. Got this light back on there. I moved it from my little Mr. Aqua tank, which I got another little AQUARIUM light on here. I like that. This tank's still just kind of starting out. Also some algae in there. I lost one of my guppies, unfortunately, but the other three seem to be doing really well. Happy about that. Mangrove tank, checking in. Super easy. Top it off, feed the fish, clean the glass, that's it. Got a new stand, really like that. I think it looks cool. Trying to minimize the cords hanging down. Kind of give this whole area a more open, cleaner look. Let me know what you think I should do with this. Got a home goods bowl. It's a cool light from Amazon. I think it'll work out perfect. Put it on this plant stand here. Yeah, not sure what to do with that yet. Any ideas? Leave them down in the comments.